Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 568 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin and Ether have both reached new all-time highs. Consensus has raised $65 million from major investors, and Neptune Digital Assets has formed a clean energy mining company as a joint venture with LNK Global. Just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Bitcoin has surpassed its previous all-time high trading price and is trading for about $63,200 US at the time of recording. This is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Similarly, Ether has set a new all-time high with a trading price of around $2,260 at the time of recording. Obviously, this is subject to rapid change, so I encourage you guys to keep an eye on those prices. A report from CoinDesk posits that the excitement surrounding the NASDAQ listing of the hugely popular crypto exchange Coinbase tomorrow may be contributing to the current crypto rally. eToro's analyst Simon Peters is quoted in this CoinDesk report saying, quote, "The dynamics have changed quite dramatically this year. Demand is flooding the market from institutions just as large amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum are increasingly being taken offline, and holders are transferring them to their own wallets. There is only one outcome from that, and investors should expect higher highs and higher lows throughout the year." End quote. Blockchain software firm Consensus has raised $65 million in strategic investments from major financial institutions including JP Chase, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol JPM, MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol MA, and UBS, which trades on the NYSE as UBS, according to a press release today. The funding is intended to accelerate the convergence of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and Web3 applications on Ethereum with enterprise blockchain infrastructure. Joseph Lubin, the founder of Consensus, as well as the co-founder of Ethereum, explains, quote, "When we set out to raise a round, it was important to us to patiently construct a diverse cap table, consistent with our belief that similar to how the web developed, the whole economy would join the revolutionaries on a next-gen protocol. Consensus's software stack represents access to a new automated objective trust foundation enabled by decentralized protocols like Ethereum. We are proud to partner with preeminent financial firms alongside leading crypto companies to further converge the centralized and decentralized financial domains at this particularly exciting time of growth for Consensus and the entire industry." End quote. Neptune Digital Assets Corp., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol NDA, has incorporated a joint venture company with LNK Global Technologies, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol LNK. It's called Pure Digital Power Corp., described in the press release as a power and Bitcoin mining infrastructure company with an emphasis on clean, sustainable energy. Neptune's president and CEO Cale Moody said, quote, "We are extremely excited with our second foray into Bitcoin mining with LNK, and an environmentally sustainably focused operation at that. We see the future of Bitcoin mining to be an environmentally sustainable one, and this flagship operation is likely to be the first of many facilities to be developed using green sources." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.